We're excited to share our powder coating operation, where raw metal parts are transformed into durable, high-quality finished products. Today, we'll walk you through our powder coat line and show how each step ensures consistent, reliable results. Our process is designed to maximize quality and efficiency, from preparation to final packaging. The process begins when parts arrive from departments such as assembly, bending, and welding. Some parts go through a masking stage where areas of the part, such as threaded hardware, are protected using rubber tubing. This ensures those surfaces remain clean and fully functional after coating. Once masking is complete, parts move into the hang-on area. Here we use a variety of hooks and hangers to properly secure each part onto the paint line. Correct hanging is essential for full coverage and a consistent high-quality finish. After being loaded onto the line, the parts travel through a 5-stage wash system. This removes oils, dirt, and debris to ensure proper coating adhesion. In the final stage, a zirconium treatment chemically bonds with the metal surface, preparing it for the electrostatic coating process. Next, the parts enter the powder coating booth, where a dry powder is applied using electrostatic spray technology. Our system utilizes 12 automatic spray guns, supported by 2 skilled painters who ensure complete and even coverage. The electrostatic charge allows the powder to adhere evenly to every surface. After coating, the parts move into the curing oven, where the powder is baked on to create a durable, long-lasting finish, whether matte or glossy. Once cooled, the parts continue to the takeoff area for a final quality inspection. Masking is removed, and each part is checked to meet our standards. Finally, parts are taken off the line, counted, and carefully packaged on pallets or in racks and crates, ready for the next stage of the manufacturing process or shipment to our customers. From start to finish, our powder coat line is built to deliver consistent quality, durability, and performance every time.